when the knees are coming in, the outer edge of the foot is, so for some people it's difficult to bend forward and do this. That's another problem. So you can just kind of stand up outwards and inwards. Very good. So what else we can do is bringing the toe on the floor and turning like this, the knee, the hip, external rotation this way, one leg only at the time با یک پا به سمت بیرون چرخش رو داریم. Then the opposite leg, پای مخالف moving out. So, and then shaking, like we had it for the hands, we can do it with the legs, shaking, relaxing. Then we need a good space between the feet. پاها رو به یه اندازه باز میکنیم که بدنمون فضا داشته باشه برای حرکت بعدی. The hip circle rotation. حالت دایره بزرگ. Left to right and then right to left. This is also good because it works on the back and the lower back, but also it works on the knee and the ankles as well. هنوز هم روی زانوها و روی مفصل پا این حرکت کار میکنه. When we are moving this and we try to make a bigger circle, making a bigger circle to the front, side, flexion, extension, and opposite. All right. Then we come to the shoulders. Elevation. شانه ها به سمت گوش بالا و به سمت عقب. Retract. And then guide them both to the floor. Elevation, retract, down to the floor. بالا به سمت عقب و به سمت زمین. Elevation. So next move, head will be down, upper back will be hinged. So at this point you can just hold your hands. میتونیم دستامون رو به این شکل به هم دیگه قلاب بکنیم. به اول سر رو میاریم پایین. Head first, then upper back. And then this comes to the lower back. And then very slowly trying to bending forward, feeling the stretch at the hamstrings. عضلات پشت پا کشش خواهد داشت تو این وضعیت. Slowly. And then we start from the hip. دوباره از قسمت دنبالیچه کمرمون رو قوز میکنیم. We come to the thoracic spine slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. همون حرکت هایی که انجام دادیم اومدیم پایین رو میاییم به سمت بالایی کمر. Thoracic spine, getting close to the neck. And at the end, we are going to make our head. So, like I feel good with this. Maybe we need to practice this more together. Okay, so hands locked like this. باید یه مقدار بیشتر تمرین کنیم تا بهتر این حرکت رو انجام بدیم. اول سر به پایین، بعد گردن، بعد قسمت بالایی کمر. First head, neck, upper back, thoracic spine, and then come to the lumbar spine. At one point, I'm pushing my hip backwards, going to the hinging. در نهایت از قسمت لگن خم میشیم به جلو. Focus on breathing. Head down. سر رو میاریم به پایین. چند تا نفس میمونیم. باز دوباره از قسمت لگن میایم قسمت لامبار سپاین، قسمت پایینی کمر، thoracic spine، بالایی کمر. Slowly pushing the feet to the floor. Neck. میایم به قسمت گردن. And head. And then we come back to the... Okay. So that was a little forward bend. Like some people do it with the hands open like this. But each vertebrae goes like this. Forward bend. میایم پایین. But again from the pelvis, slowly trying to get back again to the place that we were. So now we are going to shake our body. Hands are shaking, shoulders shakes, the middle part, the hip is shaking, the entire body is shaking. It's called also shaking. You shake your hands. When you shake your hands, the entire shoulder shake. When you shake your shoulders, it's work on the trunk, the upper body, legs. هر قسمتی از بدن رو که ما به حرکت در میاریم، مثلا قسمت لگن رو که به حرکت در میاریم، پاهام لرزش پیدا میکنه. دست ها رو که به حرکت در میاریم، شونه هامونو به حرکت وامی داره. Shaking, hitting the heels to the floor. Trembling. Shake again. Mixture of the trembling and shaking. When you hit the floor with the heel of the foot, shaking it. All right. We come to the neck. Neck. Head up, head down. Start moving your head. Both directions carefully. میایم روی قسمت گردن کار میکنیم. Be very kind. Without judging your neck. It's painful. So we will be kind to our neck. Okay, for some reason I have a very stiff neck today morning. It can be a pillow or anything. Stress. But I'm going to work on it. یکم گردنم کار میکنم. مقدار باز میکنیم.
If you want to take more time for the neck, I love it because I have also stiffness.
Yeah. Still changing the season. Definitely. So if you want to work one on the neck, we can just look down and look up, and we're going to lock the fingers outside, okay? So the shoulders will be into retraction of the scapula and then head up, head down. دستها رو با هم قفل میکنیم به این شکل. بعد میایم روی نو یس، سر به بالا، سر به پایین، در حالی که دستامون رو قفل کردیم. سر به بالا، نو یس. نو یس. Okay? If we want to work more, we can hug ourselves like this. دستامون رو میاریم انگاری که خودمون رو بغل کردیم به این شکل. دستا رو میاریم. Now, head down. Do sideways. Head up. Sideways. Down. Laterally. Extension up. Sideways rotation down. So we have a little rotation and sideways, and then we go up or down. Sideways rotation down, sideways rotation up. Good morning. Next. حرکت بعدی. Tapping here between the shoulders and the chest, a point to open this energy in our body, the blockage, blocked energy. And the kidneys, کلیه ها در قسمت پشت کمر. به این شکل. دست راست میزنه به شونه سمت چپ، دست چپ به شونه سمت راست. Thank you. Hands and shoulders relax, shaking. Remember, اینجوری پرت میکنیم دستامونو یه مقدار. Thank you. Now, the first energy work, which is accompanied with the legs. So you see I'm bending my knees a little bit. So these legs are not too close to each other. The legs must be enough distance. So when I bend my knee, then I'm not bending forward, okay? I'm in the center. Holding the energy here, scooping the energy, bring it to the chin and chest. And then from this point, exhale, pushing it back to the source. So this is the first exercise. این حرکت اولمونه. انرژی رو دریافت میکنیم و بعد انرژی رو به طرف زمین برمیگردونیم. از زمین انرژی رو دریافت میکنیم. We are holding the energy up to the chin and chest, and then exhale. Hands straighten, holding the energy holding the energy. Breathe in, and when you release the energy back to the floor, you breathe out. So this has with the breath. It's easy. It's make you fresh. تازمون میکنه این حرکت. با انرژی کار میکنیم. انرژی رو از زمین دریافت میکنیم. میاریم به طرف شانه و سینه و از اینجا. Please continue for a few more. Okay. Next exercise is very similar. You're working with energy. This time you push the hands up to the ceiling like this. Okay, you push the hands. If I demonstrated this, I'm pushing my hands like this. در حالت ایستاده. Okay. Don't know if I do like this. Is it showing my hands? Yes, it shows.
Clear.
Okay, so you collect the energy and then push up. Fingers pointing each other, okay? انگشت‌ها به سمت همدیگه هستش. Exhale at the side, lower the hands, okay? Inhale, collect the energy. Bend your knee, exhale, push. At the side, از کناره ها میایم پایین. Qigong circle, inhale, close to the chin and chest, exhale to the sky. Sideways, down. Inhale, exhale, push to the side. Exhale, push. Keep pushing, Deborah, bravo. Exhale. Breathe in. Okay, so the hands are not like this, they're like this. Yeah. It's like you're holding something with both hands, yes. Coming to the chin and chest, and then exhale, opening. Next position is very similar. So you hold the energy, hold it here, don't go so far down, and then expand. اینجا باز میکنیم دستا رو از هم دیگه. You hug the world. دنیا رو در آغوش میگیریم. Open your hands more, Debo. Exhale, pushing the energy to the front. So here, I am not bending forward. Look, my pelvis is here. I'm not bending forward. I'm here in the center, rounding my back. پشتم رو قوز کردم به این شکل. Now, we're gonna let the energy push the hands back like a T or cactus. عین حرکت کاکتوس میمونه. بعد اینجا we ending it here. تمومش میکنیم. Collect the energy. Open, expand, hug the world. دنیا رو در آغوش میگیریم. Exhale, pushing the energy. انرژی رو به سمت جلو هول میدیم. اجازه میدیم انرژی به سمت دستهای ما فشار بیاره. We come back to the cactus. T. And then back to the floor. Holding. Expanding. Pushing. return T form cactus. میایم توی کاکتوس، حرکت کاکتوس و حرکت رو تمومش میکنیم. One more time. Inhale. Keep enjoying this movement. Expanding, hugging the world, pushing this energy. Back again. And ending here. Okay? So, next position, next work. Right hand goes to the sky. Left hand push to the floor. دست راستمون به بالا به سقف هل داده میشه، فشار میاره. دست چپمون به سمت زمین یا مخالف. It's like both hands going to the opposite direction. And then we come back to the center here. Opposite hand reach and pushes down. Switch the hands. دستا رو عوض کردیم. دوباره قسمت و در قسمت چانه و سینه دوباره دست ها ملاقات میکنن هم دیگه رو. My legs are little bended, okay? Here, changing and straightening the knees at the same time. Slowly come back to the center. Meet your hands and switch. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Meet in the center and switch. Push, push, push. Exhale and change. Meet in the center. Okay, how are we gonna finish this position? By bringing both hands here and then gently both hands go down. This is how we can end this practice. Next exercise is the dragon. So you're gonna bend the knee, working with the energy. Yes. یکم زانوها رو خم میکنیم مثل انگاری که میخوایم بشینیم. And brushing the wall. اینجا رو زانوها فشار هست. There is a pressure on the knee. So every person is bending knee according to his body. We don't want to create a problem for the knee joint. Brushing the wall. I can feel it in my legs when I do this, strengthening my legs joint. با خم کردن زانوها فشار میارم به این عضلات باسن، به عضلات رام، عضلاتی که از زانوها محافظت میکنه. اوکی. Next. Swimming. Right hand, left hand. Swimming dragon. انگاری که داریم عقب عقبی شنا میکنیم. حرکت شنای اژدها. Swimming dragon. Look at your hands. Follow your hands. Reach back and go. این خوبه برای گردنم خوبه. Nadia, this is good for the neck also because you look at your hands, you turn your head. When you raise your hand, you look up your hand. Head will be moving, looking at the hand, eyes. So that it stretches my neck also. Bravo. So this is really exactly like a swimming, you know, because when my hand reach back, here internal rotation happening to push the water down. You see? So my hands goes, reach here, internal rotation happening at this point, reach behind, yes. Okay? So be careful. اینجا باید دست رو به داخل بچرخونیم. When we come here, the internal rotation happening, reaching back. حرکت چرخش دست رو داریم در این قسمت که بعد حرکت چرخش رو داریم با Deborah, you've used this opportunity to sit down, huh? Don't worry. We're gonna come up. Okay? So we did the swimming dragon. Open the legs. You can lift your toes a little bit, no problem here. Activating these hamstrings here. میتونیم یکی از پاها رو پنجمشو از زمین جدا بکنیم تو این. And taking the clouds to the side. Flying dragon. اژدهای پرنده. Flying dragon. Pushing the clouds to the side. ابرها رو میزنه کنار که بتونه پرواز کنه. Here I'm not bending forward, okay? I'm in the center. اصلا خم نمیشیم به جلو. سعی میکنیم لگن اونو بدیم به بی داخل. Pelvis tilt in. Pelvis tilt in.
من دیگه
Okay.
در توانم نیست وایسم میشینم.
بشین عزیزم. No problem. تو میتونی یه مقدار حرکت ها رو نشسته انجام بدی. Now, Debo, point your right hand to the enemy. Pull the arrow. Pull the arrow, open the chest. You can see both legs. God bless. Exhale. Both hands come to the center. Opposite hand. Shoulder, aiming, and pulling the arrow. Opening. My both legs are equally bended here, okay? My both legs are equally knees bended. I am in the center. Back to the center. Exhale. Back to the center. Change, opposite hand. When you come back to the center, you can straighten the knees at this point to make it relax, okay? ما میتونیم یه مقدار استراحت داشته باشیم تا حرکت بعدی رو دوباره رو اون دست انجام بدیم. Then we are going to bend the knee again to practice on the other side. Inhale, back to the center, straight your knee. Exhale, opposite side. Back to the center, straight your knee. Exhale, opposite side. Okay? Legs close. Shake your body. Shake your body. On Saturday, we did one leg's balance. We're gonna do right hand, right leg lifted. Lift your right hand, پای راست، دست راست. Right hand, right leg, and then as slow as possible, back on the floor. Left hand, left leg, پای چپ، دست چپ. And then very slowly back on the floor. Opposite leg, lifting one leg at a time. Practicing this, improving our balance. And then very slowly, خیلی آروم میاریم. پای مخالف از سطح زمین جدا میشه. پای چپ، دست چپ. پای راست، دست راست. Exhale, back on the floor. Bit more. Exhale. Opposite leg again. Last one. Exhale. Okay. Now, we're gonna come to the sitting position. Let's do the tabbing techniques quickly. Tabbing with the fingers, tabbing. Activating the vagus nerve, back of the head. Pituitary glands. Top of the head, back of the head. Final cleanse. My left hand supporting my right, so I can tap effectively. یه مقدار کمکش میکنم که بهتر بتونه ضربه بزنه، با اون یکی دست ساپورتش میکنم. Here at the base of the neck, so the meaty part. Opposite hand. This part, very good. Lungs, قسمت سینه. Chest. At the center of the chest. Heart. We come to the other hand's palm. Down to the palm. Back of the hand. Return. Return to the center of the chest. Here, switch. Walk down. Back of the hand. Return to the center of the chest. Kidneys. کلیه‌ها. lymphatic system, underarm. Here. Lymphatic system, stomach, شکم، massage with both hands so can push in. Inner legs, داخلی پاها به پایین، بیرونی به بالا. Outer legs come up. Inner legs down. Outer legs up. Inner legs down. Outer legs up. Excellent job. Breathing. Exercise. If I have some wall or something, or I can just sit. 6 sounds healing. Come to the lungs. Try to lift your chest. So no hunching. This is a lungs healing sound, SSS. It sounds like a snake, okay? But we need to push our hands to the sky like this, okay? Fingers facing each other. برای جگرمون هست، جگر سفید. SSS به سمت سقف. Gonna push it nicely, opening this lungs meridian, taking out the sadness. So if there is any sadness, must be out. ناراحتی هامونو به این شکل بیرون میریزیم با این صدا. برای اینکه وقتی ناراحتیم روی این قسمت، روی قسمت شش هامون تاثیر منفی میذاره. Now we come to the kidneys. Water element. Imagine blue color for the kidneys. It's the water element. رنگ آبی، عنصر آب. Hands will be on the knees and you bend forward, you make a chew sound. So that chew sound, it must be effective. Back to the kidneys. Fear is the kidney. Negative emotion. ترس هامون باعث میشه که به کلیه هامون آسیب بخوره. With the chew sound, let go all the fear. Bending forward. One more time. Bend forward, make sound. Now from the kidneys we come to the right side of the body. قسمت سمت راست. Liver. Imagine green color. This part of the right side, yeah. رنگ سبز, green color. wood element عنصر چوب یا درخت wood element healing sound is SHH. It sounds like a sand, you know, being in the bamboo. Sometimes, you know, they make instrument out of it. So you make it sound, but at the same time, we need to lock our fingers and push to the left side. So right side of the body, which is the liver, it can be stretched, okay? Bring the awareness here. So inner smile to your liver. Anger is the negative emotion for our liver. عصبانیت باعث میشه که به کبدمون آسیب بخوره. دستها به سمت چپ. قفل میکنیم. Let all the anger out. Last one. Allow this to overflow to gallbladder. صفرا، کیسه صفرامون. Hands locked to the left. From the liver, we come to the heart. Okay, our heart, fire element, عنصر آتش, red color. Okay, healing sounds, HAW. Ha. Okay, so we need to lock our hands and this time do it to the right side. به سمت راست. Ha. قلب سمت چپ هستش. Ha. Impatience, greediness. هرس و بی‌صبری به قلبمون لطمه میزنه. با ها sound, let it out. Ha. To the right side. Heart also related to the small intestine. روده کوچکمون هم به قلبمون مربوط میشه. با این سر. Ha. Last, not the last, but the last healing sound which is good for the organs is the spleen. Tahal. At the left side of the body, okay? So the right side was the liver. Left is the spleen. With the fingers, I'm pushing into my spleen. Let it go inside. Make a sound. H-O. Ho. H-O. Ho. Massaging this goes inside of the stomach a little bit. As you make the sound, this is for overthinking worries. خیلی ذهنمون که مشغول میشه و نگران هستیم به این قسمت طحالمون آسیب میخوره. Oh. With the whole sound, we go, let go of this worriness. Okay? Also, the spleen is connected to the stomach and pancreas. به معده و پنکریازمون هم فایده میرسونیم. Oh. Last healing sound to balancing the chakras, hands up. As the both hands goes down, you make a sound. He. H-I. Okay? با صدای he. He. برای تنظیم چاکراها. Inhale. Slow. He. Raising the fresh energy. He. So we did this 6 healing sound. At this point, we do Ananum Venom. So Only breathing through the left, out through the right. In through the left, out through the right. My thumb and my ring finger also working here to closing and opening the nostrils. دستامونو انگشت راست شست راستمون روی بینی سمت راستمون رو میپوشونه، حلقه روی بینی سمت چپمون. دست راست. چپ به داخل، راست به بیرون. چپ به داخل، راست به بیرون. Very slowly. خیلی یواش. Left inhale in my speed. And then change, right exhale. You should let the air go, continue slowly. Again, left inhale. Right exhale. So this is different than Nadi Shodhana, which we were doing left in, right out, right in, left out. Here, only left in, right out. That's it. فقط از بینی سمت چپ نفس دم میگیریم، از راست بازدم. دوباره سمت چپ دم، راست بازدم. Continue. Inhale left, gently exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right.
I need to leave. Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice day.